Ever wondered what it really takes to succeed in trading? If yes, then great, because I'm kicking off my trading journey with ICT when I'm going to document my journey and every step on the way. If you will follow along, then you might find some trading strategy which is going to change your trading game. So let's get started. A few weeks ago, ICT has started 2024 membership where he teaches his son everything what he knows on YouTube, and he shared this with everyone else so other people can also learn from him. And in this series, you are going to see how this knowledge has improved my trading journey and how am I going to apply this in my executions going forward. The best part about this that ICT explains how to trade a lower time frame, which is 1 minute. He also explains how to trade a 50 seconds time frame. However, I will stick to 1 minute because this is where I feel most safe. However, this is absolutely incredible, and this has changed my trading and my trades already because I am able to close my trade early. I don't need to wait for a trade for a few days like in a swing trading, which I absolutely love. So this is the best part. The next part that you might also find useful is that ICT explains very important part which I found always missing. So it feels like I finally found some missing puzzles that I couldn't make the whole story together. What is the best part that he explains is he explains new day opening gaps, which I found incredible when it comes to trading on lower time frame. So this is absolutely great. And I will also explain how I apply this in my next videos or in my mix series. And I'm looking forward to record the next video for you. Thank you guys, and I will see you soon.